Inhlangano i-Concerned Citizens of South Africa ibeke ingxenye yezethameli zenkantolo eGoli namuhla ngethuba zasekuseni lapho ibiyokweseka khona umndeni walowo wabe eyikhansela lika-Ward 24 nowayebuye ebe ngusihlalo we-African National Congress uZakhele Mathe. uMathe wadutshulwa wabulawa ngoNhlolanja ka-2005 noma ngathi ngo-2025 endaweni-ke yokwetha uphethiloli eMondiyo eningizimu neGoli. Le nhlangano kithi kayeneme neze ngendlela eliqhuba ngayo leli cala yakhala ngokuthi abanye babasola abathintekayo kuleli cala namanje abakaboshwa. Iphinde-ke yagxeka uKhongolose ngalokho-ke kuchaze njengokusonga izandla ekwesekeni umndeni wakwaMathe.
I-Concerned Citizens of South Africa izima seyinqubo yokuchophela ityala lokubulala lalowo wayesakuba ngoceba we-ANC ka-Ward 29 kunye nosihlalo we-ANC uZakhele Mathe kwinkundla ephakamileyo yaseGoli nalapho ivakalise ukungoneliseki ngenkqubo yenkundla.
Namhlanje bekuyi-court trial yaka former councillor Zakhele Mathe obeka ikhansela lase 24 which we know ukuthi uye wadlula emhlabeni bamdubulile. So the case beyise Westgate until we requested i-NPA ukuthi we are not happy the way i-case handlwa ngakhona e-Westgate. So they transferred the case to la. So today we're supposed to be a day where we are starting a trial because the trial was set for 11 to 29 May. Even though singekho happy ngecase at yonke nje generally because out of the 3 people that were involved in this murder, it's only one that have been arrested, and the person oboshiwe currently is not the person who pulled the trigger, it's a person who was driving. So we are just happy that there is someone who's arrested, but we are not that happy because the person that we want ukuthi abe ngaphakathi and agwetshwe and athole isigwebo esibona ukuthi siqinile yilo waphula itrigger. But before agwetshwe, we want him to tell us the truth ukuthi bekathunywa ubani labantu bekahamba nabo. We are saying to him actually akakhiphe bonke labantu laba bakwazi ukuthi basitshele ukuthi what really happened and ubani obathumile ukuthi bayenze lento le. So as the community we are not happy as things are.
Lo mbutho ubuye wachaphazela nakwi-ANC usithi awuniki inkxaso kusapho lukaMathe kwaphela.
We have seen the ANC regional office where siyofaka ikhalazo ukuthi the ANC is not assisting the family with anything. Since the case has started, akuna any assistance the family that is getting from the ANC side since the councillor was the councillor of the ANC and also was the chairperson of the ANC in the branch. So we don't see anything that comes from the ANC that talks to us as the family assisting this case ukuthi ithole justice. So that's why we are here. So we are saying we will be here until the case iphela. If they maybe want to buy it, then they should buy it us lokhu sikhona la, because what we will not gonna do is to back off kule case le, because we can see ukuthi ifaka abantu abaningi kuyo phakathi le case.
Ityala lihlehliselwe umhla we-19 kule nyanga. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eGoli.